Let's make some tacos. I wish I had some refried beans, but I don't. Hey y'all, welcome to 1K Yellowdiamond channel, where here it's all about fun, food, and family. Bow, 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 bow. Yes, it is. So let's make it, y'all. Now this is just your typical ground beef. Y'all just had a taste for some tacos, but in a different way. I wanted that crunch. I wanted that beef. I wanted that cheese. Bow, bow, bow. Yes, baby. And we gonna eat it. We gonna eat. What's next? What's next? I love onions. Y'all know I love onions, right? Cilantro. Love cilantro. Ooh, that's a little bit too much, but that's okay. And tomato. Wait, let me put my lettuce. Let's put some lettuce. Put some lettuce, just a little. And some tomatoes. Tomato. A little bit more cheese, just to make all the other colors pop. Next is sour cream. I just got a little, but a little go a long way. A little go a long way. And voila. Oh, voila. There you go. Grab you a tostada. Tostada. It's tostada. Okay, y'all. Let's eat.
Okay. I thought you were alive for a
Vitamin.
blue. It's like this, like, it's good for your digestive system and bloating and energy.
Okay.
It's excellent supplement.
Okay. Y'all young folks, y'all just be all the vitamins in the world instead of just eating it. Eating the lettuce, not lettuce, the spinach, the green, the kale.
Yeah. But like this has it all in one box, so it makes it easier.
Y'all left cold Luna out here.
I didn't know she was outside. I thought we let her back in. think we fell asleep, so forgot to let her in.
I said, pause on them.